guys, how's it going? My name is Pratham and you are watching my channel Pratham R17 YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the NASA's selection of upcoming commercial space stations. So, without any further ado, let's get started. So, according to a NASA article which states, quote, NASA has signed agreements with three US companies to develop designs of space stations and other commercial destinations in space. The agreements are part of agency's efforts to enable a robust American-led commercial economy in the low Earth orbit. The total estimated award amount for three founded Space Act agreements is $415.6 million. The companies that received awards are Blue Origin of Kent, Washington for $130 million, NanoRax of Houston for $160 million, and Northrop Grumman of Virginia for $125.6 million. It also says that NASA seeks to maintain an uninterrupted US presence in low Earth orbit by transitioning from the International Space Station to other platforms. These awards will stimulate US private sector's development of commercial independent space stations that will be available on both government and private sector customers. The awards are the first of a two-phase approach to ensure a seamless transition of activities from the International Space Station to commercial destinations. During this first phase, private industry, in coordination with NASA, will formulate and design commercial low Earth orbit destination capabilities suitable for potential government and private sector needs. The first phase is expected to continue through 2025. The station's shared infrastructure will support the proprietary needs of diverse US and international users, tenants, and visitors, including those representing research, industry, government, and the commercial sector. Features such as reusable space transportation, advanced automation can be minimized cost and flexible to enable the widest range of users. Accommodation, vehicle docking ports, and utilities can be scaled with growth in market demands. So now let's talk about the first award-winning company, which is Blue Origin. So Blue Origin and Sierra Space have partnered to develop Orbital Reef, a commercially owned and operated space station to be built in low Earth orbit, which will start operating in the second half of this decade. Orbital Reef's teammates include Boeing, Redwire Space, Genesis Engineering, and Arizona State University. Orbital Reef's human-centered space architecture is designed to be a mixed-use space business park that provides essential infrastructure needs to support all types of human space flights activities in low Earth orbit and can be scaled to serve new markets. So now let's talk about the second award-winning company, which is NanoRax with the Starlab space station. So NanoRax commercial low Earth orbital destination in collaboration with Voyager Space and Lockheed Martin is called Starlab. Starlab is targeted for launch in 2027 on a single flight as a continuously crewed commercial space station dedicated to conducting advanced research, fostering commercial industry activities, and ensuring continued US presence and leadership in low Earth orbit. Starlab is designed for 4 astronauts and will have power, volume, and a payload capability equivalent to the International Space Station. Orbital Reefs will host the George Washington Canver Science Park featuring four main operational departments: a biology lab, plant habitation lab, physics science and materials research lab, and an open workbench area to meet the needs of research and commercial customers for commercial space activities. The space station will be built with flexible growth in mind, featuring interface both internal and external to the spacecraft to allow nanoracks to expand the architecture as new demand sources are identified and new markets emerge. So now let's talk about the third award winning company, Northrop Grumman. So Northrop Grumman designs for a modular commercial destination in low Earth orbit is built on decades of experience supporting NASA, defense, and commercial programs. The design leverages flight proven elements such as the Cygnus spacecraft that provides cargo deliveries to the International Space Station to provide base module for extended capabilities including space, science, tourism, industrial experiments, and the building of infrastructure beyond initial design. Multiple docking ports will allow future expansion to support cruise analog habitats, laboratories, crew airlocks, and facilities capable of artificial gravity in support of multiple customers. This Space Act agreement will enable Northrop Grumman to provide a detailed commercialization, operations, and capabilities plans as well as space station requirements, mission success criteria, risk assessments, key technical and market analysis requirements, and primarily design activities. Northrop Grumman's team includes Dynetics and other partners to be announced. By the way, if you guys haven't noticed, the Northrop Grumman space station, it shows a weird docking image of the SpaceX Crew Dragon without the docking port hatch open. That seems very funny to me. It's like it's heading straight towards the space station, not for docking, for just a touch. So that's it for today, guys. If you liked today's video, please make sure you hit that like button and also press the red button below, and also turn on the notification bell so you stay updated for more videos like this. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll meet you guys in the next video. So until that, stay tuned.